Ever caught yourself yawning and wondered why? For years, scientists speculated that yawning boosts oxygen in our blood, but new theories go deeper. One idea is that yawning helps cool down your brain, much like a fan cools a computer, keeping your mind sharp and alert. Another intriguing theory suggests yawning is contagious because it strengthens social bonds. When one person yawns, others follow, silently syncing group behavior. So next time you yawn, remember, it's not just boredom. It's your body's clever way of staying cool and connected.